Hello from Delaware Wildlife Area Shooting Range in Central Ohio. This is your third fall color update in the Buckeye State. I'm Josiah Wade, and David Parrott, your fall color forester from the Division of Forestry, joins me. And David, I gotta say, I didn't think you could top last week's outfit. Yet, here we are.
Well, Josiah, since it's the beginning of deer archery season, I thought I'd come out here and practice some of my terrific archer skills. But I guess the camo was a little much.
You think?
We're still seeing a lot of green out there, but we're starting to see more splashes of color throughout the state as the temperatures have cooled off. We are getting reports of a couple near peak, but mostly still changing status. Current changers with the best color include dogwoods, sycamores, and pin oaks. We should be seeing the best fall color in the next couple weeks. Ohio has an extensive archery season that is now open through Sunday, February 2nd, 2025. Hunters may use crossbows, compound bows, recurve bows, and longbows to pursue deer during the archery season. Hunting licenses and deer permits can be purchased on the free Huntfish OH mobile app. App users can view maps of public hunting areas, see the current hunting regulations, view sunrise and sunset times, and check game without a cellular connection.
Well, David, it's also hunting season for a number of other species here in Ohio. And of course, a valid license is always required. You can learn more and get all the rules and regulations online at wildohio.gov. You'll want to check out the list of fun activities available on our calendar of events page at ohiodnr.gov. These are free, family-friendly events, from naturalist-led hikes to wildlife programs and even some special events, like the Grandma Gatewood Fall Colors Hike in celebration of 100 years of Hocking Hills at Hocking Hills State Park, and stargazing at John Bryan State Park for International Astronomy Day. That's all happening this weekend. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Next week is Earth Science Week. We'll have lots of fun activities all week long. Don't forget to follow the Fall Color Progress Map online at fallcolor.ohiodnr.gov. It's the best way to track fall colors statewide. Well, and David, we should also stress the importance of safety when it comes to fall hunting.
I agree, Josiah. That's why I encourage everyone to log on to wildohio.gov for more information and hunting safety tips.
Yeah, all right. Well, here's the vibrant fall colors, and good luck to all you hunters out there. We'll see you next week for another fall color update. Have a great weekend.